Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're doing another epoxy wine tumbler. This is stainless steel, comes with a plastic lid, So it's just really cool to paint and customize these, and I'm doing a whole set of them for my sisters. So I'm on to the next sister. If you didn't see the first one, I'll post the link for that in the description. But this sister wants black with a hint of unicorn. So that's what we're going to do. First thing I'm going to do is clean this with isopropyl alcohol. And then I'm going to spray paint it with a matte black paint and primer. I'll mix up all my epoxy then and we'll be back. Alright, so we're back, we're all prepared. I'm going to tell you real quick the colors that I'm using. So first of all, I'm using Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat Resin. And then I'm using the Alumilite Gold Metallic Powder, as well as Alumidust Deep Purple and Alumidust Blue Green. And then I'm using Stone Coat Countertops Gold Dust Metallic and Real Teal Metallic. All of these can be gotten at stonecoatcountertops.com. So I'm going to get started by just putting some of the clear epoxy on here. And also check down in the description, there's a video there on how I mix epoxy. It's pretty simple. You generally just follow the directions on the resin bottles. This particular resin is mixed equal parts, A and B. And for those who are new to resin, it has to be mixed in order to start working. The one exception is a product called UV resin, which only hardens once it hits some UV rays, basically. So this particular resin, the Art Coat, is food safe. It has what's called 0 VOCs, which is the harmful fumes that come off resin. So not all resins are the same, you guys. Some are much more harmful and they all have different uses and properties. So definitely research the ones you're using. They're not all the same at all. This is my favorite resin. Been using it for a couple years now. And it's great. Okay, so we've got a pretty good clear coat here. And now I'm going to start putting in my colors. It was really hard to mix up these tiny, tiny amounts. But basically, I just kind of want hints of color in here. I don't want to overdo it, and I know that's going to kind of be hard. So that's the teal. This one's the blue-green, which looks on here very similar to the teal. And then some purple. Also, I kind of figure if I do overdo it on the color, when I come back, I am going to put probably another layer of epoxy on this. And I can add a little bit of black into that if I overdo it on the color. I'm going to try to just not do that. Okay, and the last color in this is just gold. And this is the gold mica powder mixed with the gold dust. So it really has a nice sparkle to it. I'm going to just get some of this on here, and then that's basically it for this cup. We'll let it spin, and then we'll come back and see how it looks in a little while. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. Okay, so I am going to just touch up some spots with the clear. Like I missed a few spots that I can see here. Just a couple more spots. And then I'm going to quickly hit it with a torch. And then, like I said, we'll be back. Just a couple more spots over here. Can be pretty hard to fully cover the edge, the lip of it. All right. So quick torch. Okay, and then we will be back in probably a few hours. All right, guys, we're back. So this is basically completely dry, just still a little bit sticky. I turned on the rotator again so that you could see how it looks on all sides. I hope I did a good job of black with just a hint of unicorn. It's hard to focus on it because it's so glossy. But there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm having a lot of fun with these tumblers. Probably a lot more coming up in the next few weeks. And I'll see you next time.